I will be showing you how to earn $200 all the way up to $3,000, and you won't have to have any required skills or experience. I will also share this powerful Google trick so you can set this up on complete autopilot and not have to do any of the hard work. This is a relatively unknown method that a small group of people are using to make a lot of money, and it's completely free and available worldwide. Make sure you pay close attention and watch this video all the way to the end so you can be one of these people that's making a lot of money. I will also be sharing a bonus website at the end of this video to help you earn even more money, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. So the first step that I'd like you to do is go to this website called moneypantry.com. The page should look something like this, where it'll say, "Welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money." The great part about Money Pantry is that they provide several different ways to make money online, and they provide several different resources with very useful information. If you scroll down and look right here under the section that says Make Money, you'll notice that it offers 81 legit ways to earn money online, 150 legitimate work-from-home jobs hiring right now, and more. There's also the category Save Money, which will provide several different valuable resources for saving money, and then freebies. If you look right here, you'll notice that it says on moneypantry.com, Get Paid to Write, 101 sites that pay you $50,000 to $3,000 per blog post. And there's no need to worry because you won't be required to have any writing skills or be a good English speaker. And better yet, I'm going to reveal this extremely useful and powerful Google trick to get all of this done for you on complete autopilot. The only thing you'll need to do is just collect your payments. So make sure you continue watching so you can understand how to use this. So if you go to this website, there will be several different companies and opportunities that you can take advantage of where you will be required to write articles for them and earn money. This first company is a great example where they will give you $150 per post. And if we keep scrolling, you'll notice that there are dozens and dozens of different opportunities that you can take advantage of here on this website. And you really can earn a lot of money from these companies. Just take a look at how much they're offering on each of these. And you don't even have to do one at a time. You can do several at a time and build multiple streams of income for yourself. Now, let me show you a company that's on this list that will require you to simply write on Google. Right here, you'll see this category titled Sites that Pay You to Write About General Interest. And I want to show you this category because writing in the category of general interest is very simple and straightforward, and there's a very little competition. And in a second, I will reveal a website which will grant you access to hundreds of free articles that you can look at to gain some inspiration and ideas from. So this company called Guide Posts will pay you $250 per post. All you need to do is click on the link that says Guide Posts right here. Now, I just want to reveal the simplicity behind how you can get paid through this website. The emphasis should be on one person and told from the vantage point of the individual most deeply affected by the experience. Getting paid $250 for this post is a very good earning potential for complete beginners that live in any country all around the world. Just to make you realize how good this earning potential is, I'd like to show you this other website called Textbroker, which is another website that will pay you to write articles for them. I want to show you the distinction between these two websites when it comes to pricing and how much you get paid. For example, on Textbroker, if you were to write 600 words at a 3-star quality, you would only earn $6.60. That is not very much money when compared to Money Pantry, where you can get paid $250 for about 1,500 words. So now let me show you how you can do this. It's very simple. The next step will be to copy and paste articles you find for free on Google and then submit them onto this website so you can earn your money as quickly as today. So what I'd like you to do now is head over to Quora.com. So if you decide to write in the topic of general interest and search how to learn English, you'll then see several different related posts because Quora is a website that holds millions of different free forums that anyone and everyone can participate in. People post questions and others provide different answers to them, and you have the opportunity to answer them yourself as well. So many people post different questions, as you can see here. So if I were to click on this link here, How Do We Study English Effectively, it will show that this many people are following this post. And we can see that there are this many different answers that people have provided. You can see this person's answer right here, where he provides a pretty solid article. And there are hundreds and hundreds of high-quality words that people are posting with thousands of views. So the amazing thing about using Quora for this strategy is that there is such a wide variety of different answers. What's even better is that they will pin the best answer at the very top of the page. The best answer meaning the page with the most likes and engagement. So what you're going to do next is you're going to read over this article and see if it is of high quality, and then you're going to copy it. But remember, you don't want to just copy and paste it directly because that's plagiarism. You want to change it into your own words. So what you're going to do next is open up a Google Docs page. So head over to Google and search Google Docs in the search bar. and then you just click on the first link that you see that says Google Docs. You'll then click on this to open up a blank document. So now what you're going to do next is open up several different links related to your search on Quora and copy sections from each article or forum. So just click on one right here and then copy the best answer from a section and then paste it onto Google Docs and repeat this process with other forums or articles on Quora. After you've combined all the best answers from several different articles on Quora, then you're just going to take the Google Doc with all the combined answers and copy it and then paste it onto a website called Quillbot, where it'll rephrase the wording for you automatically. And you'll have to do this in sections because the free version of Quillbot only allows you to do so many characters at a time. So you're just going to copy and paste it into Quillbot, click this button, and then copy and paste the new paraphrased text into a Google Doc and just repeat this process until you've done it all. Quillbot is an amazing tool because it allows you to reword people's text so you don't plagiarize. Also, if you'd like to rewrite the sections from these articles on Quora yourself, another powerful tool that you can use is the voice typing tool on Google Docs. All you have to do is click on Tools and then click on Voice Typing and click this button right here to speak, and it will start typing out whatever you say. Next, I'd like to show you another bonus website. Before I do that though, please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to learn about more ways to make money online. So I'd like you to head over to a website called Listverse.com. This website functions where they'll pay you if you write a top 10 list for them. If you scroll down, you can see all these different top 10 lists, and they'll pay you $100 to write a top 10 list for them. So if you're able to receive a job from Listverse creating a certain top 10 list for them, you can go back to Quora and look up the related top 10 list. So let's say you have to create a list of 10 curious facts about the British monarchy. You can just search that into Quora and find a bunch of information to create your very own top 10 list. So you've got several options here to make money online. If you'd like to learn about another great way to make money online, check out this video right here.